Can lightning surge protection devices solve all surge problems? Electrical charges generated in a thunderstorm discharge to the ground with a current of approximately 150 kA. Lightning-induced surge occurs in the cable and instantly applies high energy to the equipment connected to both ends of the cable. These are also called spikes or transients. The duration of these transients is typically measured in microseconds. Without adequate lightning surge protection devices, the greatest consequence is the risk to human life. Secondly, there is the potential downtime in production and the cost of replacing valuable and sensitive equipment, insurance claims, and increased insurance premiums. A lightning surge protection device, also known as an SPD, is a shield against surges or transient voltage flowing from the power supply. In other words, it blocks or redirects surge current to the ground instead of passing through the equipment. Technically, most lightning surge protection devices operate with the help of a metal oxide varistor, MOV. This is basically the link between the SPD's hot wire and its grounding wire. With a variable electrical resistance, the varistor can adjust the incoming voltage that is either too low or too high. For example, when it's too high, the MOV redirects the excess voltage into the grounding wire, letting it dissipate safely. Then, a normal level of voltage continues to flow through. The MOV essentially acts as a pressure-sensitive valve that only opens when there is too much pressure. Surge protection devices will ensure the uninterrupted use of your electrical and electronic equipment while protecting them from overcurrent degradation and damage. Incorporating the latest technology, our manufactured lightning surge protection devices divert the surge current directly to the ground and limit the overvoltage to sensitive equipment. Each of our products solves a particular challenge. Our AC power surge protectors such as Facility Guard, Transient Limiters, PowerDIN, and ProLine are designed for industrial and commercial purposes. Our single-line and DC power protection, such as coaxial line protectors, transient eliminators, and transient limiters will interface between network equipment and data, signal, and telephone lines. Some of the patented SPDs of Lightning Eliminators and Consultant Inc. include Facility Guard, which provides UL-listed lightning protection and surge protection. Transient limiters like the TLX100 and the TLX50. DC surge protectors like the TLX50DC. Hybrid surge protectors for data and telecom application, TE500. Data line protectors. And coaxial line protectors. For maximum safety and protection, all surge protection devices should only be installed by a licensed professional that is familiar with the equipment and its use. No matter the weather, connect with our Lightning Eliminator surge specialist and get the best possible solution for your facility.